Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a quick and easy DIY Halloween treat. I'm going to be showing you how to make some of this delicious Halloween bark. These are all of the things that you're going to need to make this. You're going to need two 12-ounce bags of white chocolate chips, a pack of Halloween Oreos. I ended up having to buy the family size one because my store was out of the smaller ones, but you definitely do not need the family size one. Some pretzels, some type of a Halloween candy. I am using candy corn because I love candy corn, but I know a lot of people don't like candy corn, so you can substitute the candy corn for any type of Halloween candy that you like. And then some Halloween sprinkles. Again, these are completely optional, but I just love making mine look all festive for Halloween, so I like to get as many colors as I can in it. To get started, what I like to do is take my Halloween Oreos and break them up into little pieces and put them in a bowl. Once you're done doing that, you can set that aside. And then you're just going to do the exact same thing with the pretzels, break them up into little pieces. Basically, I just like to get everything ready so once the chocolate is melted, I can kind of work fast because I don't want it to harden before I get all of my ingredients on it. So again, I'm just pouring the candy corn into a bowl. Like I said, I just want to have everything all ready. You're also going to need a microwave safe bowl to melt your chocolate chips in, as well as some parchment paper and either a cookie sheet or a cutting board. For this next step, I'm just taking my cutting board and I cut out a piece of parchment paper and stuck it on top of the cutting board. This is what we are going to be pouring our chocolate onto. Next, I'm going to melt my chocolate chips, so I'm just going to pop them in the microwave for 1 minute and then I will just stir them at 30-second intervals until they are completely melted. Once you're done microwaving the chocolate chips, just stir them up and make sure they are completely melted. And now we are just going to pour the chocolate onto our parchment paper. Once I've poured out the chocolate onto the parchment paper, I am just going to smooth it all out. Now I like to make mine a little bit thinner, but if you want to make it thicker, you can also do that and just not make as big of a piece of this, if that makes any sense. I do like to make mine a little bit thinner just because I don't want it to be quite as sweet. If it's thicker, it's definitely going to be way sweeter, so I like to make mine a little bit on the thin side. Now I'm going to take my Halloween Oreos and just stick them into the chocolate. You do want to push them in a little bit, otherwise they will end up falling off. So just kind of stick them down into the chocolate. And now you're just going to continue putting all of your toppings on. Like I said, I like to push mine down into the chocolate a little bit just to make sure everything stays on there. This is what it looks like once we are all finished. I think it is so pretty and festive for Halloween. So now all we're going to do is wait about 30 minutes and then we will come back and break it up into little pieces. So now we can use our good old friend Alexa. Alexa, set a timer for 30 minutes, please.
30 minutes, starting now.
And now I am going to go watch a Halloween episode of Roseanne, and I will see you guys in 30 minutes. Alright guys, it has been 30 minutes, so now we are ready to break our bark up into little pieces. I'm going to be putting mine on this super cute platter that I bought from the Dollar Tree. I actually bought two of these. I bought this purple one, and then there was also an orange one that they had, but I think I'm going to use the purple for this just because it matches my nail polish. To do this, all we're gonna do is just kind of lift up on the paper, and you can kind of see it just easily breaks off. So we can just go like this, and then you can break it into as big or small pieces as you like. You guys get the idea, so I'm just going to continue to break this up into pieces while I watch Halloween episodes of Roseanne. And a lot of you were asking where that Halloween DVD was from in my last video. I actually bought that a few years ago, but it is from Walmart, and they do sell it this year because I saw it in store a couple weeks ago. So if you guys are looking, and it was only $5.50, and it has every single episode of, well, not every single episode, but every single Halloween episode of Roseanne. All right, you guys get the idea, so I'm just going to continue to break this up into little pieces, and I will show you what it looks like on my spider platter once it's finished. This is what they look like once they're all broken up, and I did end up using the orange platter as well, so you guys can see what that one looks like. I absolutely love these little platters from the Dollar Tree, and I think that for only $1 a piece, they are an amazing deal, and so cute to put your Halloween treats on. So that is going to be it for this quick and easy DIY Halloween treat. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Also, if you guys enjoy Halloween videos, definitely check out my last Halloween video. I showed how we decorated our house for Halloween. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you in my next video.